Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of air fryers and bringing you the top 3 air fryers available on Amazon. Whether you're looking to cook healthier meals, explore culinary versatility, or find a budget-friendly option, we've got the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. Get ready to transform your cooking experience with these incredible air fryers. Let's kick things off with the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL with fat removal, the ultimate choice for healthier cooking. Imagine indulging in your favorite crispy dishes without the guilt. With its advanced fat removal technology, this air fryer extracts excess fat from your food, giving you the taste you love with less grease. But it doesn't stop there. The rapid hot air circulation ensures even cooking, and that perfect crunch every time. What truly sets this air fryer apart is its generous, extra-large capacity, letting you prepare meals for the whole family or host dinner parties with ease. No more waiting for multiple batches to cook. And the digital interface? It's a breeze to use, allowing you to customize your cooking settings with precision. With thousands of satisfied customers and a stellar 4.6-star rating on Amazon.com, it's time to upgrade your kitchen game and savor healthier, more delicious meals. Now let's talk about the Ninja DZ 201 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1, your culinary dream come true. This kitchen powerhouse isn't just an air fryer, it's your all-in-one cooking solution. Picture the convenience of pressure cooking, slow cooking, air frying, and more, all in a single appliance. The 8-quart capacity ensures you can effortlessly prepare meals for gatherings, big or small. Imagine being the star of your next family dinner or party, effortlessly serving up scrumptious dishes that leave everyone wanting more. And it's packed with features to simplify your life, from the easy-to-use control panel to the customizable cooking functions. You'll have the confidence to take your cooking skills to the next level. Don't miss out on the versatility and cooking precision that overjoyed customers rave about, earning it a fantastic 4.7-star rating on Amazon.com. Elevate your culinary game and seize the opportunity to become a master chef in your own kitchen. Last but certainly not least, the DASH Compact Air Fryer Oven Cooker with temperature control, the budget-friendly superstar. You're getting premium features without breaking the bank. Its compact design is perfect for smaller kitchens or for those who appreciate space-saving solutions. But here's the real gem: precise temperature control. Achieve the perfect cooking results every time, from crispy fries to juicy chicken, all at an unbeatable value. With this air fryer, you're not just investing in an appliance, you're investing in a world of culinary possibilities. And let's talk about convenience. It's a breeze to operate, making it ideal for busy individuals and families. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned pro, you'll appreciate its ease of use. Don't compromise on quality. Enjoy affordability and convenience in one package. Join countless satisfied customers who have given it a glowing 4.4-star rating on Amazon. There you have it. Our top 3 air fryers on Amazon, each offering something remarkable for your culinary adventures. Whether you're enticed by the healthier cooking capabilities of the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL with fat removal, the versatility of the Ninja DZ 201 Foodi, or the unbeatable value of the DASH Compact Air Fryer, your kitchen is about to become the heart of your home. Check out the links in the video description to find these air fryers on Amazon and embark on a culinary journey like never before. Elevate your cooking game and become the chef you've always wanted to be. Don't hesitate, act now and transform your kitchen. Hit that like button if you're ready to savor healthier, tastier meals, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.